Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Should That Shoe Be Retro. In this episode of Should This Shoe Be Retro, we're talking about the Lebron 7. The Lebron 7 is considered one of the classic silhouettes in the Lebron sneaker collection with Nike. And this colorway that I have was exclusive. They were only sold in House of Hoops in Harlem, New York City. If you guys are familiar with that store, back in the days they used to get a lot of player exclusives and stuff like that, so I was able to get my hands on a couple pairs. But we're talking about the Lebron 7 University of Akron. This colorway is fire, and I figure, I'll do a video so you guys can get a look at it if you guys never seen this shoe. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we drop a new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. But I know you guys are tired of me talking, so let's get to this shoe. Here you guys go, the Lebron 7 University of Akron. One of the dopest colorways in this silhouette. Fire shoe. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, we have navy blue patent leather going all around the shoe. We got suede on the tip parts of the patent leather. We have a white swoosh with gold outlining. We have fly wire and gold and white in the inside here. Got the gold and navy blue LeBron emblem and metal here. Towards the back, you got suede back here. Patent leather back here. As you can see, you got the L here. On the inside, you have the University of Akron logo right here. White Nike swoosh in here. More fly wire in here. On the shoestrings, there's a little bit of 3M on it. When you put a flash on it, you see the 3M. Has the gold tips on it. Has the old LeBron symbol on here. As you can see here, it has the LeBron logo in script in gold. Just a clean shoe, man. One of the dopest silhouettes in the LeBron collection. I just thought this shoe was fire. I love navy blue sneakers. Navy blue sneakers is it for me. I love just the color navy blue is just, a dope colorway, man. And there's not too many sneakers that come out of navy blue. I had this shoe forever, and I barely get to wear it. As you can see, if you look at the soles, there ain't that much wear and tear on the bottom. As you can see, you got the gold emblem here, white, navy blue here. Got the white, and got the clear and gold airbag going all the way around the shoe. That's what pretty much everybody liked about the shoe, and pretty much on most of the colorways is patent leather on it, so it pretty much reminds everyone of the Retro 11. But this, to me, to be honest with you, I like this shoe much better. It's much more comfortable than the Retro 11 because it has the airbag to go along with it, so it makes it much more comfortable and being able to wear it for long periods of time. And it's a great basketball sneaker too. If you play basketball, if you play, any sport and you want to wear a high top shoe that's comfortable, the Lebron 7. And the shoe looks good in any way you want to wear it. It looks good with shorts, it looks good with jeans, it looks good with sweatpants, it looks good on the court, it looks good off the court, man. That's the problem with a lot of basketball sneakers now. They don't look good on and off the court, so a lot of people don't buy them unless they're gonna be on the court, playing in them or whatever the case may be. But clean shoe, dope, fire, man. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe, and do y'all think this shoe should be retro, man? This is a play exclusive, so I really don't think it should be retro, but I had to bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at it so you guys can get a feel of the shoe, man. If you guys like this, should this shoe be retro segment I got going on, man, leave it in the comments below. I answer all comments, and I'm looking forward to interacting with you guys and going back and forth with you guys under the videos and the comments. Be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. That's the easiest way to connect with us. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you like this content that we bring to this channel. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart for helping me grow this channel, and look forward to us doing big things in 2019. And with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.